Yeah. Short here, longer here. You're a half inch off here.
Unless it hurts, don't do it if it hurts.
Inhala. Okay, let's have you lay on this side facing me. So you'll be laying this way. See. Straighten. This one goes back. Move on. And go the other side. Scoot you a little closer. A little closer this way. See. Straighten. And back. This one's back. Boca arriba. Alright, so you're sitting up. And just bring your legs this way. Bring your leg this here. And reach through. Inhala. Exhala.
It's obviously different, but meditation doesn't look the same.
Alright. Muy bien. Alright, let's go stand up. How you feel? Better? Lighter?
Honey, ¿qué pusiste tú esta? ¿Pusiste esta? No, yeah.
Can you send that to Tara?